Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we write a program to check whether the number is even or odd. First, we take input from the user. Enter a number. Now we check the number is even or odd. If num mod by 2 equal to 0. If the number is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then the number is even. Or print num even. Else print number is odd. Now run to check. Enter 7. As you can see, 7 is odd. Again run. Now enter 6. As you can see, 6 is even. We get right output. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.